Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing micro tiny goddess Mahalakshmi rice Valambari Changu Dakshinavati conch right open conch. You see conch only in the length of rice. We can see I am comparing the rice with the Dakshinavati conch, Valambari conch, right open conch. See you can see conch only in the shape size of rice. It is very rare to get conch only the size of rice. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. See, you are seeing extremely very micro tiny Valambari Changu or Dakshinavati conch or right open conch. Extremely very tiny. See how tiny it is. But it is extremely very powerful. Used for making pendant ring. See here you can see the UP5 and see it's only size of lead. Only the size of lead. It is just only 5 mm in size, 5 mm size, extremely very tiny. And it is for goddess Mahalakshmi. It is for goddess Mahalakshmi. See how tiny it is. I am showing the thumb for you how tiny it is. Now it is very extremely very rare to get such a tiny goddess Mahalakshmi, Valambari Shangu or Dakshinavati conch or right open conch. It is used for making pendant. See, I am showing in my finger how tiny it is, but very beautiful, powerful. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. See, I am showing in my finger, extremely very tiny, but very powerful. You can wear it as a ring or pendant. Gives you extreme positive energy and protect you from black magic and evil eyes, and give blessings of all gods and goddesses. Such a wonderful quantities. Om Namah Shivaya, 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 Om Namah Shivaya.